house. Welcome back everyone. Today we're doing some dragon eyes nail art. Let's just hop right in there. To do this design, I chose my middle finger and my pointer finger to do the actual eye design on. So I started off with a white base on both nails. Once I got the base painted on, I did a little bit of a cleanup around the edges of my nail, and then I took a makeup sponge, applied 2 green stripes on the outer edges, well, one on each edge, as you can, you can see the video. It's a video that you're watching. So a green stripe on each of the outside edges and a yellow stripe up the center, and this is going to give us that reptilian type blend. That's what we're going for. It kind of worked. It based it really nice. I ended up having to... So, the best way to describe this. So it did what I wanted it to do. It did apply that gradient. However, the green polish I was using wasn't as opaque as the yellow polish that I was using. So I had to go back in and apply the green polish directly to my nail on the outer edges of that yellow stripe in the center. And then I kept trying to blend it with the sponge, and I think eventually I just painted on the lines and left them as is. So now that I have my 2 accent nails prepped and ready, I've got the green and yellow eye polish on. I finished off the manicure by doing just a black on the remaining 3 nails. After I got those polished, I did go back and I cleaned up my edges again, like I do with every step. And I made sure to polish the free edge, cap the free edge, so that the tip of the nail, it wraps all the way around. So now the fun part, creating the eye. You want to take your black polish and go at a slight diagonal toward the edge of your nail, and then fill all of that in with your black so that the tip of your nail is black. But you want it to have a slight angle there so that your eyes have a little bit of dimension and realism. And what I did was one direction for one nail and the other direction for the other nail, which gave it the appearance that the eyes are closing toward each other. Also, this design I found on Pinterest, and I will put a link in the description below to credit the person who originally did this on Pinterest. It's a fabulous design. I love it. So then I followed up by taking a tiny nail art brush and put some black polish on some plastic over there in the corner that you can see. And you basically just want to follow the cuticle line of your finger with that black polish. Now, on the diagonal, you have one end of your diagonal that's higher than the other. On the higher end, I cut the eye in a little bit more, so you'll have a little bit thicker of a line on the high end of the lid. At least that's what I did. I thought it gave it a better dimensional look. So you do that with both eyes. Do your outline. It's kind of like applying makeup, but it's on your nails. But we're doing eyes. Oh, wow. I've been watching YouTube all day, and I've been watching Bailey Sarian, and I just realized I'm talking like her slightly. Sorry about that, but also Bailey Sarian's awesome. I just discovered her from a friend of mine, and if you like true crime stories and makeup, you should check her out. Anyway, back to the nail art. After you've got your edge work done, you're just going to do a simple stripe up the yellow into the eyelid, and that's going to be your pupils. And then you just do your cleanup around the edges again. To finish off this manicure, I decided I had to have some sort of glitter. And with me, it's usually holographic. So again, I used the Flaky Holo Taco top coat and applied it on top of all of my nails. I think it was a fabulous choice personally. Really love it. And then once that's done, you finish it off with your glossy top coat. So that's the nail art design for this week. Got some pictures here for you. Now on my right hand, I went a little bit bold and I tried a few different things. These are just some close-ups of the nails and everything that I took, different positions, see how it looked best. So here we did a blue and green eye, and a purple and white eye, and a red and white eye. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. You can find me on Twitter and Instagram. Knox.